Imagine a scene. You're sitting at your desk, surrounded by financial documents. You've been saving for years, but it feels like your money isn't growing fast enough. You've heard about Raiz, a micro-investing app that promises to help you grow your wealth effortlessly. But can you really trust Raiz? Let's dive in and find out. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the stock market? It can be intimidating, with its complex jargon and fluctuating prices. That's where micro-investing apps like Raiz come in. They offer a simplified way to invest, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial knowledge. Raiz was founded in Australia in 2016 with the mission of making investing accessible and affordable. The app allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly, often rounding up your spare change from purchases. This approach, known as dollar-cost averaging, can help you build wealth over time. Key features of Raiz. Let's explore some of the key features that make Raiz a popular choice. Diversification. Raiz offers a range of investment portfolios, each carefully diversified to manage risk. This means your money is spread across different assets, reducing the impact of any individual investment's performance. Accessibility. The app is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple interface that makes it easy to set up and manage your investments. You can even link your bank account to automate your contributions. Low fees. Raiz charges a low annual fee, making it a cost-effective option for investors. This means more of your money goes towards your investment goals. Ethical investing. For those who prioritize ethical investing, Raiz offers portfolios that exclude certain industries, such as tobacco and fossil fuels. Is Raiz right for you? Now that we know what Raiz offers, let's consider if it's the right choice for you. Raiz is a great option for beginners who want to start investing with small amounts of money. It's also suitable for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. However, if you're looking for more control over your investments or have specific financial goals, you may want to explore other options. Concerns and considerations. While Raiz has many advantages, it's important to be aware of potential concerns. Market risk. Investing always involves risk. Even with diversification, there's no guarantee of returns. It's essential to understand the potential risks and be prepared for market fluctuations. Limited investment options. While Raiz offers a range of portfolios, you may not have as much flexibility as with traditional brokerage accounts. If you have specific investment preferences, you may need to look elsewhere. So, can you trust Raiz? The answer is yes, but with caution. Raiz is a legitimate and reliable investment platform that offers a simple and affordable way to start building wealth. However, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Remember, investing is a long-term endeavor, and patience is key. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy investing.